and gals. Thanks for joining me. Now, someone asked me, Crazy Penguin, great question. He messaged me the other day and says, Bruce, did you ever notice the moon having changed positions in the period of time you've been taking moon pictures? And I really wanted to look into that. And I can't do everything at the same time, right? But just before I show you the footage, I am going to show you just two pictures. I have a picture from 2011, and here it is. It's the full moon of 2011. I just started taking pictures of the moon, and I kept this one all the time because it was my first moon picture. But I checked the moons, Crazy Penguin, for 2014, 15, 16, and 17. Did not note any change whatsoever, aside from maybe a small wobble, right? But look at this photo. This photo here is, it's this month. It was taken about a week and a half or 2 weeks ago. It's just before the full moon. Not even that long. And look at it again. We'll go back to the two to compare, and I'll pass them by a bit quicker, just one after the other, and you will see an actual, quite a transition in the rotation. And then I'm going to tell you something. The moon is locked in place with Earth, right? Because of its our tidal waves and etc. Okay. If it's because of that, why would the Earth have not shifted if the moon is shifted? And I mean, NASA told us, right? It's locked in place. What does locked in place mean? It means it's exactly face to us. So if it tilted a little bit, we tilted a little bit. If this photo was in 2011, could it be that in 2011, 2012, and on, we started seeing a lot, guys, of earthquakes, dry spells, forest fires, Alberta, Canada, California, United States. Just changing the subject for a second here. Look at the top back. Watch the massive wall structures come into view. They're very big. They're long, some of them thousands of miles. Look at the back. There they are. A little shaky here with the wind. I'm still going to show it. It's beautiful. You can pause it if you have to. All these things on the surface, all these massive walls and corridors, what are they? And just a heads up, what I usually do for those just joining the channel is I go through the videos. As weeks, months go by, I will grab the best footage out of it, clarify it, and post it in color in videos, etc., and try to get the best view possible of the surface for you guys. You're about to see a tower, bottom left. There. Look at the white light at the bottom of it. Lines go down to many various places, and over top, a strand corridor leads upwards. All the structures that we can see here at the bottom, I will clarify, oh, trust me. But look at this. Looks like a little boat sitting there in the hole, right? With a line across it. Let's see that again. Look at all the elevated levels right here. It's incredible. The white high at the back, the dark low beneath. And here we're coming up again on what we just saw, but we're going to see it once again. The tower. There's the first light at the bottom. And now the second light and the tower. There. The tower is now in the middle at the bottom there. See the lights, how they're flickering? They're active. This is live view. At times, I believe that the lights are just to hide the cities that are inside of them. Now, this magnificent light has high, elevated, mountain like trails that leave off three of them. And look, it comes down here like a slide down to other structures. The hole here with the other objects, it's incredible. It's actually inside of the holes that you see that this many cities are hiding in. I'll show you an example here as we're panning through. See the lighter tones of gray? It's a bit higher than the darker tones. And in the darker tones of gray, there are little holes, or, well, they seem little because from what we see, but they're massive. In reality, hundreds of kilometers. The line here again going through to the light sources. The very smaller light sources also have corridor like strands or lines going to them and leading to them, but they're a lot smaller, harder to see because they're closer to the surface. Here's a hole here, and look inside of it. Well, you see massive wall structuring. Inside of that, structures. Here, too, structures. The white are structures too. It's clarifying them and getting close to them. When you get close to them, you see the massive, massive towering buildings, guys, all over the surface. the screen coming in now, a triangle with a white circle. A dark triangle.